Man, it feels good to be a player. What up, best friend? What's up, my peoples? What's good, everybody? I'm Real Deal. Welcome back to another episode of Freestyle Friday. You already know the deal, the real deal. Gonna make a boom bap beat. I'm gonna vibe with it for a little bit. And then we're just gonna drop some bars. That's it. That's all there is to it. Matter of fact, the faster we can get into dropping the bars, the faster we can get into the freestyles of the Fridays. Because Fridays haven't been free since last week. Let's go. I got a sample that sounds like this. Check it out. This obviously caught my attention because if y'all don't know by now, I am a huge Disney fan. Number one. Number two. Anywho's, I like the sample because it reminds me of Main Street. It reminds me of Sunset Boulevard when you are at Hollywood Studios. You know, that old school 1920s, 1930s movie vibe that I love so much from Hollywood Tower of Terror. It reminds me of like the Mickey Mouse shorts from back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Steamboat Willie. It just... So yeah, I really liked it. So I put it in simpler, chopped it up. Let's work on that melody. Oh my God, that's the one, that's the one. Record before I forget. Let's record before I forget, because I always forget. Sometimes I have to, like, when I'm editing the videos, I have to replay the video so I can remember the melody. Ah! Too much yapping, too much. I don't know why I'm talking so much. I'm dehydrated like a motherfucker. It's not like I have enough water in my system anyways to back up all this talking I can't stop doing. Anyways, let's do it again. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, so I'm just kidding. Really been into record scratches lately, so we're gonna add some record scratches, you know what I'm saying? Bring it down a notch. This is the type of beat that, like, if I were ever to, like, actually make a song from it, I would perform it with those old school mics, like the Temptations used to do, you know, like, ooh, you know what I'm talking about, Oh, and if you didn't know, Suffocate is out right now, right now. So, like, you know, you can pause the video, go listen to it, and come back. I wouldn't mind. I appreciate it, actually. Or you can watch the video, give it a thumbs up, and then go listen to the song. Either way, you're making my Friday a lot better. And I hope I'm making your Friday better, too. Because we're about to drop some bars. Real. I think today's theme, we're going to keep it with cars. Because I need a car. And I've been car shopping lately, and I forgot how frustrating car shopping is when you're not looking for a new car. Freestyle Friday, yo. Dirty Dozen. We've been at it for a minute. Let's get it. Hear me out, yo. 2011 Mazda 3, gun. 2023 Mazda, gone. All I'm looking for a beater truck. A car that got me from point A to point Z. A car that got me footed is just what I need. A car that runs on gas. A car that runs smooth. I need a car new, bitch. I need a car used. My name is Real Deal and I'm riding transportation. My name is Real Deal and I'm out for desperation. I got no car, I got 4 wheels, I got no house, and I got full meal sight. All I do is ride, tell my story. All I do is rhyme, tell my story. They hate us cause they wanna be us. You wag like a Prius. That was fun. Try it again. Don't tell them that. I think sometimes my problem is that I'm vibing and chilling way too much when it's supposed to be like a cipher, you know? So I probably should like come at it with a cipher point of view. But I can't because I'm always trying to like not take life so seriously, because taking life so seriously is so stressful. Real, take 2. Freestyle Friday, yo. Too much hype, not enough thought. I don't need a Ferrari, I just need a car. I don't need a Ferrari, I just need it to start. Give me a car that runs. Give me a car that runs. Oh my god, I'm freezing up so bad. That's oh my god, I'm freezing up so bad. I think I'm vibing too hard with the beat. Like, my mind isn't like, the way my mind works is I'm vibing and I'm having fun, right? But the beat's so smooth with it that I'm also thinking of what I want to write to it, you know? So, fuck. Run it again. Run it back. Man, holy crap. Alright, here we go. Enough diddle-daddling. Real. Freestyle Friday. Man, I like this beat so much. Fuck, I'm really struggling with this. I don't need a beater. Give me a Civic. Give me a Honda. Give me a Civic. Give me a beater. Give me a Honda. Fuck! Why am I struggling with this so much? I'm gonna get something to eat. I need a timeout. I decided to finish the freestyle, drop the 16 bars before I go get something to eat. Because a part of me, I feel guilty. I'm like, I don't want y'all to think that I'm like writing shit down. I'm not. I'm still in a blank mind. Like, I literally have nothing in my mind, and it's crazy because I usually have like 1,000 thoughts in my head as well as like 2 different songs in my head, and I'm literally drawing a blank right now. But we got this. Real. Freestyle Friday. Enough diddle daddling. Part 2, part 3, part 4, whatever. Let's go. If you catch me speeding, you gon' catch me on 95. You gon' catch me speeding, it better be an Audi A5. I'm not going back, no turn around, no U-turn. I'ma let that tire burn like Pirelli. Hot, Pirelli, burn, Pirelli, fire, Pirelli, turn. I'm getting caught again in the misconception. I'm getting caught again in trying to, oh my god, fuck. Bring it back, don't lose it. I'll drive anything except a fucking Buick. You think you gon' stop me? You think that I'm tripping? Baby, I'm slipping, driving Nissan like I'm slipping. I'll bring it back like Goose. I got nothing to lose except 2 tries. Bro, that was not better. That was better. Take 5. I'm not keeping that one. All right, one more time. Let's go. Oh my god. The funny thing is, like, it's not like I don't know about cars, you know? I'm literally drawing a blank. Like, it's not even just about freestyling. It's not about cars. It's just, like, there's nothing in my mind right now. I'm actually kind of scared. Real. Don't lose the hype, son. They said I wouldn't get nothing, they said I wouldn't get far. Baby, all I need is 2 wheels or 2 cars and 2 keys in a car. Don't lose it, bring it back. Don't lose it, bring it back like DeLorean right on track. All I wanted is Ferrari. All I want is a Ferrari. All I want is Lamborghini. Just kidding, all I need is a tight girl in a bikini. Come girl, holla at me and I'm driving a Bugatti. Just girl, I don't care, baby. That shit is just naughty. I'm paying for gas that I can't afford on a car. Might as well that bitch up. That shit is push to start. If it drives and it stick, then I'ma take a hit. If it drives and it stick, then I'ma take a hit. Not a Honda Fit though. Not proud of that one either. Man, crazy because like it's not like an inspiration thing because I've honestly been practicing all week. Like no lie, I've been at work, and I've just been like, I've actually been very, very creative this week. I started working on a new song. If you didn't watch my latest video, shameless plug, absolutely shameless. I've listened to Kanye's College Dropout. I listened to the instrumental, and it was literally just track after track, just freestyling the whole time. I was like, man, I'm doing pretty good. And this has been going on since last Friday. And then today I just, those first 16 were really nice, pretty decent. And then I just drew a blank, and I'm just like, man, you gotta keep working at it. Gotta keep working on that penmanship, you know? But yeah, like I said, Suffocate is out now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you have 16 bars of your own you want to drop to the beat, don't be afraid to hit me up. I might finish the beat. I'm lying. I'm definitely going to finish the beat. And I'll tell y'all right now, today is January. It's not January. Oh, my God. It is August 8th. 808 day. What's up? So next Friday, August 15th. So next Friday, August 15th, Freestyle Friday number 13. Ooh, that's going to be fun. By next week, if nobody's claimed the beat, I'm keeping the beat to myself. That's it. I said it. I love y'all for real. I really do appreciate y'all watching these videos. If you made it this far, I love y'all for real. Later, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It's time to get some. I'm going to say Mickey D's because it rhymes, but I'm actually craving a Philly cheesesteak. Later.